So we're gonna get a feel for this one last time so I can remember the difference. So, you bang gears, right? Is that what you do? Oh, no reverse. It feels good. Oh my gosh, I didn't even see you over there. Did you see what Acuity sent me? This awesome box of goodies. And I think I should watch you, Nick, install them and tell you, oh, that don't look right. There's all kinds of stuff in here.
So why do I have to install it?
Oh, because that's what men do, and women just stand there and watch and look pretty and be like, oh, I don't think that looks right. I don't even think there's instructions in here. Do you guys trust me?
Thankfully, I did mine, even though it's a little different. The instructions are online. And I did my homework before this.
Oh, thank God, because I don't think this package contents is going to help us, right? That's not instructions, no? But I do have like a good stack of these, which I feel like these are really helpful, yeah? They smell amazing. Rub it all over me so I smell. All right, let's get started.
First things first, let's see if I remember how to do this. Thank you, Cutie.
Ooh, I like that they're purple. That's a nice touch.
They got the Midas touch.
Ooh. Whoa, 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 don't break it.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
One. I always have a feeling, you guys have to be really careful. This is not in the instructions. When you're reaching over, or if you need to like get a tool down here, be careful not to poke your eye, because it might hurt. I haven't done it, but I almost did, so I'm telling you. I'm not AAC certified. That's why you need goggles.
Yes, yes.
That's
Again, the goggles are probably a safe bet, which I'm really... Maybe some stunning shade?
Something.
I got you. You can read that. I think they fit my car, let's hope. Well, this wasn't for your car, right? This is for mine, I hope.
That's for yours.
Okay, good. Some shifter-based bushings. A shifter centering ring? Just in case I want to get centered. That's cool. And a shifter rocker upgrade. Because I'm rocking it.
Good?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You got it.
I got it. And we're out.
So do you feel a difference?
Yeah, I actually do. It feels a lot smoother. I can't wait to drive it. Look at that
Oh.
mission. Yeah, it's stoked. Install really didn't take that long, which is pretty cool. I mean, given
Well,
you and I both.
Given that I did it, but yeah.
And I cheered you on.
You did.
You did a really good job, Nick. Thank
You're really good at making sure I got my water, my...
Yeah, I kept him replenished with Gatorade and all the bubble gum that he could possibly... Really? Dude, this thing was full. All the bubble gum he could possibly eat, and we got it all installed. So I can't wait to give it a little run on the street, and we'll see how it actually feels when I'm driving it. Thank you, Cutie, for all the goodies, and I'm super stoked to put these to use. And if you guys have any questions, dude, comment, and we'll get them answered.
Well, I'll try.
Try to